Namaste, Shri Matre Namaha, Joy Kamakhya.
जय
Today,
कामाख्या.
yes, Namaste. Tarika is there today with me on Zoom, and we've spent a very wonderful 2 hours of satsang. And it's been such an honor to meet Tarika, who's a very, very brave, courageous, and such an advanced sadhaka. She's only a student, and she's shown deep inclination and spiritual sincerity to learn about Goddess Kamakhya at this very benevolent time of the year, which we are heading towards Ambupachi. And through many of my dialogues with her during this session, I have I've come to some discoveries about myself also, where she has played instrumental roles in showing me how that one of the important things that she told me was about the importance of being the non-doer or the giving up of the ahankara when we are doing the Shakti sadhana with Goddess Kamakhya. So I would request Tarika to talk about herself. How old is she? What is she studying? And what has really inspired her to come for this session?
Um, Hello, I am Tarika Thakur. I reside in Mumbai and I'm 20 years old and studying philosophy in Sion.
Very nice. So what have you been to the Kamakhya temple, or what inspired you to learn about her?
Uh, I have been to Kamakya temple last year and everything just going there in the Shakti Peeth, everything changed. My life changed all by her grace, I can say nothing else.
पर इतने सारे लोग तारिका जाते हैं पर वो सब साधना सीखने की तरफ नहीं बढ़ते. हाउ कम यू आर सो इंस्पायर्ड टू लर्न द साधना एंड इवन प्रैक्टिस इट? एंड as you told me, you have also been practicing Kali and Bhairav sadhanas. You've been doing their mantras. So I see that at a very young age, you are quite mature as a sadhak, and you're quite inspired to work with these sadhanas.
Yeah, actually everyone has different backstory. कर्म पहले जो किया है उनका उनका जो काम है जो डिजायर है उनके बेसिस पे माँ देखती है कि कैसा उनको मिले. तो आप जब भी जाते हो तो पूछो जो आपको पसंद है वो सब दे देती है. जैसे
Ah,
उनके उनके वैसे उनको देना है वो दे देती है जो
काम
आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा. हाँ.
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 तो अपनी कोई चॉइस अगर आपकी नहीं है, then the goddess is ever ready to give you what is the most appropriate for you at that point of time, in the exact proportion and portion that is perfect for your life. बट इतना ट्रस्ट आपको है इस एज में जहां पर आप इतनी चीजों को समझ पाते हैं, दैट इज एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी. एंड आई से दैट यू आर very inspirational for all of us, where I am more and more inspired to teach young girls this beautiful traditional science of worship of the goddess. See, we are learning, our students are learning so many things, we learn so many arts. हम इतनी सारे coaching class में जाते हैं, ये सब करते हैं. But how many of us are really interested to spend that time doing, just investing even 10 minutes into sadhana? So it's exemplary that you have made this effort. And can you share how you experienced this session? How do you feel?
The session was really nice. I really loved talking to ma'am, and many things opened. I realized so many things I need to learn. And starting sadhana today is very nice. Like, let's go move forward. By her grace, she will do everything.
Yes,
Ma'am also said, do she will take care of everything. वही करेगी. तो आगे
yes,
बढ़ते हैं.
yes. Walking every day on the path, not really coming to an idea of any final goals, but enjoying, celebrating, and walking day by day. That is the beauty of sadhana with the
Yeah.
goddess. So if you're already flowing with it, and it's my heartfelt wishes and blessings for you that I want to really see you at the top of your career, and I want a great life for you, and I will surely pray to the goddess for you and your family's well-being. Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
ma'am.
Tarika.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Jai
much.
Ma Kamakya.
Jai Ma Kamakhya. Thank you.
Thank you.